how to make coconut horchata. So the best way to make it is really using a fresh coconut, using the water and also the meat inside this fresh coconut. But if you can't get a fresh coconut from store, you can always use coconut water bought from store. But I would suggest getting the raw coconut water versus the ones like Zico, you know, in the carton. Those actually have gone through a heating process, so it doesn't have the natural sweet flavor of fresh coconut water. So here I'm going to show you how to open a coconut just using a chef's knife with an edge. So most of the time the coconuts will come in wrapped already, and you don't have to take off the wrap, you can just keep it as is. And right now I'm going to use this knife and kind of just shave the shell off, just kind of go with this cone shape that is already came in. And as you can see now, you can see this brown part of coconut. And what that you need to do is hold your knife at this 45-degree angle and use this edge here and kind of just gently hit this top part about 2.5 to 3 inches in diameter. You don't have to hit it super hard, and you don't have to yank it from really up high either. You can just be pretty close and just gently hit the coconut and slowly rotate the coconut so you get to hit all sides. And it really doesn't take much strength at all. And you can see now I'm able to pop open, and ta-da! Here is a fresh coconut. So now that I opened this fresh coconut, I'm going to pour the water into my Vitamix. And you can either use a spoon, or I have this little tool that it's super easy to get the coconut meat out of the coconut, but you can definitely use a spoon as well. And as you can see, the coconut meat has a little bit of brown stuff, and that's just from inside the shell, and it's totally edible, so you don't have to clean this off at all. So I'm just gonna transfer the coconut meat, and let's not forget this part. It's like the best, easiest way to get awesome coconut meat. So each coconut, it's about 2 cups. You can get about 2 cups of coconut water and meat combined. And I'm going to add a cup of water. And also 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or agave nectar. And about a 3-inch cinnamon stick. And that's it.